Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. I will put 2x go to the right. Next, I will put about natural log for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. So, E, that is about capital 8. B, that is about 2x. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, this one that is about number 1. And now we divide both sides by 2x. And this one that is about 2x to the power of negative number 1. So we put the negative for the both sides. And we have like this. Now this one we have the formula. So this one we put like this. So we need to put negative go to the right. So we have like this. So we put negative number 1 go inside about natural log in here. Then we can use about Lambert W function. So because this one that is about positive, so we just have only one solution. So this one that is about fn of negative 2x to the power of negative number 1. So we put negative number 1 go outside. Next, I will put the negative go in here. Then I will put E for the both sides. And this one we have negative 2x. Later that we divide both sides by negative number 2. And this is the final answer. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.